students? I hope and I know that my students are healthy and safe at home. Okay, so in previous video we have completed our third chapter. In this video we will be starting our fourth chapter, that is measure landforms. You can open the textbook. I know my students are waiting for my video along with their textbook with pencil and a notebook. So let's start it. You have to open page number 21 of chapter 4, that is measure landforms. In this chapter we will discuss about the different types of land. That means what are plateaus, what are mountains, what are plains. In this chapter we will consider all these topics in different parts. So are you ready along with me? Are you excited to know about the mountains? I know my student has seen the mountains. आपने बहुत बड़े-बड़े पहाड़ देखे होंगे ना? Why they are, what is the importance, how they frame, कितने बड़े होते हैं पहाड़, हम उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में हम इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करेंगे. So are you ready with me? So let's start it. Oh, hold on. Bring your textbook and pencil along with you. Okay, let's start the video. So now in this video we will look upon the introduction as well as we will try to complete the importance of mountains. Students, when I say that this definition is important, you have to go to your textbook and you have to mark the definition as well. Understood? And remember students, at the end of the chapter I will be asking you questions and you will be replying to me. Okay? So you have to pay attention, very focused way. So let me start this.
Chapter 4. Major landforms. The Earth does not have an even surface. While some parts are flat, others are raised. Their variation in the physical forms of the Earth is...
You have to remember the definition of relief. As we observe the land is not equal from everywhere. Some parts lands are low and some parts the land is very high. So you have to remember the definition of relief. Okay? This definition is on the second line of your first page itself, page number 21. The second line, the variation in the physical form of the earth is called relief. Landforms are the relief features of the earth. Mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts and rivers are the main relief features of the earth. Mountains. So we see different type of land. Mountains, plateau, plain, desert and rivers are the main relief features of the earth. So now we will move to our second topic, that is mountains. We have seen the introduction, now we are moving to mountains on page number 19 of your textbook.
A mountain is a landform that rises high above its surrounding land.
What are mountains? You have to know that. A mountain is a landform that rises high around its surrounding surface. आजू-बाजू वाली जो जगह होगी वो नॉर्मल होगी. माउंटेन क्या होता है? रेस्ड हाई प्लेटफॉर्म. ओके?
It is made of rocks and earth. Usually mountains are.
Mountains are made up of dash and dash. Mountains are made up of rock and earth. This statement is there in the third line of the mountain.
Are more than 900 meters above the mean sea levels.
What is the length or the height of the mountain? Mountains are more than 900 meters above the sea level. Understood? You have to remember, mountains are made up of rock and earth. Mountains have the height of more than 900 meters.
Mountains vary in height and shape. They have steep slopes and rounded or conical peaks. A group of mountains joined together.
A group of mountains joined together is called range or a chain. I can ask you what is range or what is chain. You should know. बहुत सारे जब mountains एक line में खड़े हो जाते हैं, that is known as range or chain. Understood, students?
That is called a range or chain. Two examples of mountain ranges are the Andes in South America.
Andes in South America. You have to remember the two examples. Andes in South America.
And the Rockies in North America.
Andes in South America and Rockies in North America. Andes in South America and Rockies. Yes, you are right. Rockies in North America.
The lines of ranges form mountain bands, which may extend for hundreds of kilometers.
Lines of range from mountain belt. Mountains की कोई जो series होती है that is also known as belt. That belt may extend for hundreds of kilometers. That mountain's belt goes to hundreds of kilometers. Understood?
Yes. The height and shape of mountains tells their age. Young mountains, like the Himalayas, are high and have pointed peaks.
See, each mountain depicts their height and shape. You can see the second line, first line of the second paragraph. Young mountains like the Himalaya are high and have pointed peak. जो young mountains होते हैं, we can come to know that they are young. By which we can come to know? Because of their height and because of their pointed peak. Understood?
Older mountains, like the Aravallis, have rounded peaks and are not.
See in this. This is a mountain that is old one mountain. The peaks are not so height. उनकी जो peak होती है इतनी pointed नहीं होती. They are round. So we can come to know that this mountain is older and the pointed peaked mountain that is younger mountain. Okay?
So high. Importance of mountains.
Now we will discuss our third topic, that is importance of mountains on page number 19. You have to go through your textbook as well.
Mountain ranges are natural barriers. They provide protection against harsh, hot and cold winds.
You can see that mountain ranges are natural barriers. Mountains protect us from harsh and hot and cold winds.
They also protect us from invaders. Rivers originate here and provide water for irrigation and other.
Rivers originate. Rivers कहाँ से आती है? Mountains में से. That water is used for irrigation and other day-to-day needs of the people living near them. Okay? That water helps the nearby surrounding people to use that water in day-to-day life.
The day-to-day needs of the people living near them. Many mountain districts are famous for holiday resorts where skiing.
Many mountains are famous for holiday resorts. Remember, you have traveled a lot. You can come to know that this restaurant or this hotel is situated in that mountain is famous or not. Ask your family. If you remember, then let me know the name. Yes. Okay, students.
And mountaineering can be enjoyed. The cool climate in summer attracts many tourists. Many mountains.
In summer season especially, we like to visit the cold places because here it is so hot. And when I move to mountains, they are so cold. I feel relaxed over there. So mountains attracts the tourists, especially in summer season because the temperature over there is very cool and nice to everyone.
Are rich in minerals. Rocks from mountains make excellent building material.
See, many mountains are rich in minerals. Mountains are rich in minerals. Rocks from mountains makes excellent building material. You have seen sometimes when you travel, you see that mountains को आप देखते होंगे कि बहुत सारे लोग उस mountains को cut करके they drag the stones or they drag the rocks because that rock gives so much important material to build the buildings. Okay, students?
The slopes of mountains have rich pasture lands and forests. Agriculture cannot be practiced on a large scale as the mountains have thin soil cover. Due to unsuitable climate, shortage of land, difficulty in transportation, the region is thinly populated. Plateaus. A plateau is a highland area.
Students, agriculture is not practiced on the large areas, large scale as the mountain have the thick cover. We need agriculture. हमें agriculture करने के लिए हमें मिट्टी के अंदर से minerals चाहिए. But mountains के ऊपर क्या होता है? बहुत ज़्यादा thick layer की मिट्टी जमा हो जाती है. That soil is not good for the agriculture. Due to the unsuitable climate, shortage of land, difficulty in transportation, the region is thinly populated. Because mountains में बहुत ज़्यादा climate change होते रहते हैं, वहाँ पर ज़्यादा चीज़ें मिलती नहीं हैं. Because of that reason, the population in the mountain area less. You should remember these points. These points are on page number 22. After these 2 points, weak to no के बाजू में you can see this 4 lines. Due to these 4 lines are very important, you need to mark these 4 lines. Understood? These are the reasons why there is thin population in the mountain area. So students, should we keep here or we should cover the plateaus as well? Okay. So let's cover the plateau in this chapter, in this video, and then we will move to the next topic in this video.
Yeah, with a flat top, also called a tableland, the surface of the plateau is often cut by rivers and streams.
You can read, a plateau is a highland area with a flat top. जैसे mountains की जो top होती है वो pointed होती है, but plateau height पे होते हैं, but they are flat. They are flat. Also called the tableland. It is also known as tableland. The surface of the plateau is often cut by the rivers and the streams. जो plateau का surface होता है वहाँ से बहुत बड़ा river बहकर उसको cut कर देते हैं. Some plateaus like the recent plateau in India are the largest and extended to the hundreds of the kilometers. One is a plateau, it will be shown here. You can see this is a plateau of a flat. This is also known as tableland.
Some plateaus, like the Thakker plateau in India, are large and...
Which plateau is the largest? Thakker plateau. You have to remember the name.
And extend to hundreds of kilometers. Some plateaus, like the plateau of Tibet, are surrounded by...
Which plateau is now discussed here? The plateau of Tibet is discussed here. Is surrounded by the mountains range from all the sides.
By mountain ranges from all sides. Plateaus are found in almost all continents of the world. For example, the Colorado Plateau in the United States, the Bolivian Plateau in South America, the plateaus of Antarctica, Arabia, Iran, and the Tibet region of China. Importance of plateaus.
So, in this topic plateau, we come to 3 points. The plateaus are flatlands. They are cut by the rivers and streams. The plateaus are also known as tablelands. Okay. So, that's all for today in this video. In this video, we covered mountains, importance of mountains and plateau. In next video, we will be going through the importance of plateau. But hold on. As I said, I will ask you some questions. Let's move to the questions. So students, here are the questions. Now this question you will be replying. Okay, I will read the question and the answer will be coming from your side. A group of mountains is called dash. You know the answer? Yes. Mountains are more than dash meter above the mean sea level. What is the height of the mountains? More than? Yes, you are right, students. Give example of mountain range. We have seen 2 ranges of mountain. One was in North America and another was in South America. You have to remember the name of that mountain range. State importance of mountains. In this you can state only 2 to 3 importance. Okay. I hope this you learned in this video. So that's all for today. Here we complete our first part. In this part we discuss the 3 topics: mountains, importance of mountains and plateau. In next video we will go through the importance of plateau and we will further continue. That's all for today. Here, bye. God bless you and hold on. Please be completing your notebooks. Okay, bye.